SARURA kids.
Alright, hi guys.
Hi.
So today we are doing something very exciting. We are going to do a spin the wheel. And this magical wheel is going to be about things we find either in the house or things to do with the house. But the thing is, all the words that we're going to come up with today have got to be in Shona. And Mum and Dad can help if they feel like it. Right, so are we ready?
Yes.
Right, let's spin the wheel the first time. What do we have? Oh, that landed very cleverly on J. Now, does anyone know any Shona word that starts with J around the house? You can ask a friend, namely Mummy and Daddy.
Daddy, do you know? Jacket.
It has to be in Shona.
Jacket.
They don't know the word.
Rinonzi Jassy.
Jassy.
Yeah! So can you show it to us? So Jassy is like a juicy.
Juicy.
Yes, or a jersey. Yes, Jassy. So that's a very good first one. Well done. And you can take the jersey off. We found the first one. Now we're going to do a second spin the wheel. And we are on E.
Imbwa.
That's very clever. Yes, imbwa can be found in some houses. Unfortunately, we don't have a dog here. But you can find a doggy. A dog is called imbwa. You want to find? You'll be looking a very long time, sweetie. We don't have a doggy, so you'll be looking. Yeah, there's a dog next door, but that's not in our house, so we can't show you the dog next door. But that's very good, and very good remembering your Shona words as well, Ruba. Okay, and we stop, and we've got, and no, Ruba is not a thing we find in the house. No, you're not in everyone's house or in a lot of houses. What can we find? Let's make this nice and hard. What can we find in the house that starts with R? This is easy. Mum and Dad, help. Call a friend. Mum and Dad! I don't think Mum and Dad are being very friendly right now. They're not giving you answers.
Oh.
What starts with R in the house?
How about a lamb?
What?
A lamb.
Rambi.
In Shona is Rambi.
You're gonna call that, are you?
Yeah.
Let's make this harder on Mum and Dad, because I think that was just like a cop out there, Mummy. What? No one's actually wearing one today. Oh, I can't even begin to point at one. What is a dress in Shona? What do you call a lady's dress? Daddy?
Rockwell.
Yay! Go daddy, go daddy, go daddy, go daddy. Woo! Yeah! So yes, a dress in Shona is rokwe. No one's wearing a dress today. You're all wearing trousers, unfortunately, so we can't show that. I am, but you know, it's very hard to look at myself. I am wearing a dress, a very long maxi dress. The only person here wearing a dress.
I'm not wearing this.
No, you're not wearing it. Wait a minute, we have to spin, so you have to spin again.
Me too.
We have A.
Mom to do it.
Okay, what starts with A in Shona then? What starts with A? Everyone's looking very blank around here, might I say. There's a reaction cam. What starts with A in Shona? What starts with A in Shona? A! That's not a word. That's just you screaming. You did find another A. Well done, sweetie. What starts with A in Shona?
Baby.
No, a baby doesn't start with A, and a baby is not even Shona. Baby is Mwana,
Voila.
or if we're going to be cute, Nana. Grown-ups, because my mind's actually blank as well.
Eh.
A whole entire household doesn't know anything starting with A in the house. Yeah, like anything that you'd find in the house.
Hey, look. No, this again.
Oh, I know. Mvuropo.
Try and call that one, but nah, you can't call that one.
Okay, right. Do we have to think of another one? What else starts with an A? Anyone?
Glasses.
Well, that's a good try, but glasses actually, they call them meson, didn't it? Glasses would be meso. So they start with an M.
We have no things with an A.
What starts with the air in Shona?
We can't think of anything, can we?
Make sure you leave comments down below. You know.
Yes. Tag us on Twitter or Instagram and let us know if you know a word in the house that starts with A in Shona, because we are actually stumped. Right, so Nyasha, it's your turn to spin. Oh, we've done J. We've done J already, haven't we? Right, let's do another spin. What's A? What starts with A in the house? Apuro. No, I already said it before when we were talking about words that starts with A.
Amai.
Yay! Amai starts with A, and we have two Amais. Tinana mama vairi. Wow, straight in there. Right, you only need to do one spin, sweetie.
Good.
And we've got G. What starts with G in the house? Let's not name people because we should do something else, not a person, because we already did a person for the last one. And where are mommy and daddy to help when you need a help? What starts with G that you find in the house? A goo goo gaga? What starts with G? Mommy and daddy have disappeared. I have no idea.
Glass.
You know what you get baked beans out of? What's that called in, yes, a tin. What is a tin in Shona, daddy? What is a tin in Shona? Gaba, yes, daddy's doing French whispers. We heard you, daddy, saying it as loud as you possibly can. We know it's Gaba. Right, so we're going to do two more, you guys. So one from you, Ruva, and one from you, Nyasha. And I know it's disappeared, so we're not going to do one with her. So off you go. And what are we spinning to now? We have, oh, we've done an A already. E.
Oh yeah, we've.
Did we do E?
Mm-hmm.
What did we say for E? Oh, yes, we did, didn't we?
Mo.
Mama. No more naming people. What starts with M in Shona that we can find in the house?
Musoro.
Daddy, that's very clever. I saw Daddy signaling you there, patting his head. Yes, Daddy, people who live in the house have heads. And a head in Shona is called musoro. Right, let me just finish, Nyasha. A head in Shona is called musoro. Now, another thing that you might not know, when there's more than one head in the house, so 1 musoro, 2 misoro, 3 misoro, 4 misoro. So lots of heads are called misoro. One head is musoro.
Musoro.
Yes?
Yes, it's time.
Yay! Oh, yes, we've done E. By the way, do you know what a house is called in Shona? A house is called Imba.
What? Spin it again. Spin it again. Spin it again.
Wow, you're hitting all the ones we've done already. Yeah! Hopefully we don't have any owls in this house. Z is for Zizi, you're right. But hopefully we don't have any Zizis in this house. So what Z is in the house? Suruva, you know this one? You said it before. Oh, goodness. You were peeling it just a minute ago.
Oh, yeah, I know.
What did you just peel? No, you just peeled something. We did a race with a spoon and...
Egg?
Yes, and what is egg in Shona?
Zuzu? That's an owl. I said Zuzu.
What's an egg in Shona? You just said it when we're doing the egg and spoon race.
I forget like 5 minutes.
Yes, you forgot like literally 2 minutes down the road. So yes, an egg is a zai. Right, guys, thank you so much. That was brilliant. Can we say bye to everyone first? Nasha, come.
Bye.
Where's somebody on the floor? Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe down below and do some likes. Down below.
Yay! Thank you guys. Thank you for watching, and bye to a little person on here. Bye! You were spinning your own wheel, weren't you? With fruits. Anyway, guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you later. Bye.